Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video tackles a common trouble code, P0405. This code indicates an issue with your exhaust gas recirculation EGR system, specifically a low circuit reading from the EGR sensor. Don't worry, it might not be as scary as it sounds. Let's jump in and see how to diagnose and potentially fix this problem ourselves. The EGR system reduces emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the engine. The EGR sensor monitors this process, and a P0405 code means the engine control module ECM isn't getting a strong enough signal from the sensor. Illuminated check engine light, rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, engine hesitation or knocking. Clogged EGR valve, carbon buildup is a common culprit. Faulty DPFE sensor. This sensor monitors pressure in the EGR system. Vacuum leaks. Leaky hoses can disrupt proper EGR function. Faulty EGR solenoid. This electronically controls the EGR valve. Stuck EGR valve. The valve can get stuck open or closed. Socket wrench set. Screwdrivers. Car manual refer to your specific vehicle for location of parts. EGR valve cleaner optional. Replacement parts depending on diagnosis. Pop the hood and locate the EGR valve. Consult your car manual. Visually inspect the valve and surrounding hoses for clogs or cracks. You can try cleaning the EGR valve with a specialized cleaner following the product instructions. If cleaning doesn't solve the issue, consider replacing the EGR valve. Follow your car manual for specific removal and replacement procedures. Remove the intake manifold and clean the intake manifold. Always consult your car manual before starting any repairs. If you're not comfortable with any step, seek help from a mechanic. When dealing with engine components, ensure the car is cool and parked on a level surface. Fixing a P0405 code can be a DIY project. By following these steps and using safe practices, you can get your car running smoothly again. Remember, if things get complicated, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Thanks for joining this EGR troubleshooting mission. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips.